Hey, it's Claire and Mike at the Johnson team. Hope everybody had a great summer. So here's we're rolling up, getting close to September. Some of the things that, might come to mind as a homeowner is getting your house painted. This would, it's just the first half of August, we'll call it. It'd be a great time to get a hold of a house painter, maybe get your house painted in September or do something else.
Yeah, or think about getting a new roof on your house. It's a great time to take the opportunity while things are still dry to get some roofers out there, get an inspection, and see if you can get someone in before the weather changes and all the rain starts.
Yeah, because it's going to happen. It always happens every year. Fall comes around and it's like, oh, I should have done that. So right now is a great time. If you have any trouble getting a hold of somebody, just give our office a call at 360-303-2734, and we're happy to share our folks.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right.
Bye.